know I never back out. She said to my soul, but I'm trying to get it back now. Fighting on my demons, I ain't trying to let them back out. Y'all some killers, they ain't trying to let them back out.
What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in with me today. I'm gonna do some catfishing just to get you know, the feeling of something on the end of my rod, because the bass fishing hasn't been too hot lately. So I'm gonna catch and release most of the fish today. I'm gonna find me a good one to take home. I'll probably make some catfish nuggets, catfish tacos or something, you know. And so I'm only gonna keep one fish. I'm the only one that eats the fish at the house, so I'm only gonna keep what I intend to eat, and then the rest I'm gonna throw back. But I'm just gonna have some fun today, and I hope you guys are entertained. And let me give you the rundown of what I'm using today. I've just got a medium heavy, I just got a couple medium heavy rods, bass fishing rods with just some cheap bait casting reels, and you know, this is good enough for channel catfish. So and then the bait I'm using are cut up hot dogs, and I keep my bacon grease or grease that I use to fry foods, I keep them in a container. And so I poured a splash of that grease, and I keep it for my bait. I don't keep it to reuse it. Sometimes I do, but this one's for bait. This container I'm talking about specifically, I poured the grease. I poured it into a bag of hot dogs. I poured some salt in there as well, mixed it up. It's been sitting in there for about 15 minutes now. I'm gonna walk down to the water, and we're gonna throw some bait out there and see what we catch. So let's get to it. Yeah, I haven't been getting paid for it. Which was me. I think I did it, what, 3 weeks? Or was it 2? Well, I think you have been, yeah. I think Emma discovered, I think you got paid for it this week. I think Emma discovered it this week, or over the weekend or something. I would check the status. Yeah. I would check the status of it. I would find out how much they owe you. I mean, if it's 150 bucks, bro, that's 150 bucks. You know what I mean? Nah. Yeah. Yeah, that's real juice played at Christian Park. How do you know? Big old one. No, but I'm gonna take it home. It's a big one. At tournaments, yeah. I'm at a pump station. I'm at a pump station right now. It's the one I took you to that one night, Sebastian. We didn't catch nothing for like an hour and a half. We brought all the kids. I heard. All right, guys. So we did get on to a decent size channel catfish. I'm gonna guess it's somewhere between I don't know, 11 and 14 pounds. I'm gonna show you guys that real quick, and then I'm gonna show you how to bleed it so that you don't get a whole lot of that muddy taste or fishy taste, or however you guys, you know, want to describe that taste that catfish tend to have. I'll sit you right here. Nice sharp knife. Okay. It's that big catfish. Okay. Now to bleed it, it's pretty gruesome, I would say. I mean, just try to do it fast. Actually, I don't want them to suffer. I'm gonna go straight to the head one time, maybe 2 times. Make sure I get that brain. Sorry. Okay, so you've killed it. Now to bleed it, you're gonna want to go in through the gills, and you're gonna want to cut those gills out. Just cut up in the gill and cut up. I know this is graphic, but the fish is dead. It's not suffering. You go in those gills and you cut up, and that blood will drain out. Nice little catfish right there. We're gonna let her go. All right, boys, so we're back at the house now. I'm gonna show you how to fillet these catfish. Catfish are one of those fish, you don't just scale them. They don't have scales, they've got skin. So you've got to cut around the head, back behind the fins, the side fins, and then you peel the skin off with pliers. But I'm going to show you guys. feel the bones right here. I call them ears. They feel like ears, kind of. You go around there with your knife. Cut the skin. You don't want to go into the meat quite yet. You're just trying to get the skin. And then you got to go down the back along the dorsal, because you're going to peel it. So you just gave the skin a place to tear. And then now, you got your pliers. You can just grab some of this. They were watching us. They knew. They seen this shit a million times. They was like, this one's just not one of them. This one we just need to get them right. Okay, now you run down the back with the knife, peeling the meat away. He was putting in work for me though. He was trafficking me down to Rushford. But he was never yeah, but he was never really like that. Got it. Well, you got it. The same. I mean, and then when Hispanics go to prison, they're Mexican gang. That's just the rules.